Scallions. So we really want to make sure the leaves of our scallion is fresh and vibrant green, with no signs of wilting. We also want the stalk to be firm with absolutely no slime on the roots. First things first is to trim any bent or frayed tips on our leaves. We'll then bundle them up and begin to slice. A note on the green leaves is you want to use them only as a garnish. The stalk, however, can withstand the heat and is perfect for cooking. And there's our beautifully sliced scallions. As an alternative, we can slice the scallions on a bias, which makes for a nice presentation. To use the stalk for cooking, we want to first make lengthwise slits along the scallion. We can then thinly slice, which will produce a nice fine chop that can be used as a base in Asian-inspired dishes. And that is our scallion broken down.